Hi, Miss. Our group is Group 3. My name is Brian. I'm the group leader of the Group 3. Let us start the presentation now.
I'm Gokmei, and for this assignment, we decided to create an all-in-one travel application called Travel On. The reason we create Travel On is to simplify the travel preparation for our users, like travel planning, hotel and flight ticket booking, and even find a tour guide. Next. In Travel On, you can select your trip based on your preference, like you want to try the food there or go for shopping. And all the selections are actually provided by the local tour guide that register in Travel On. User can register as a full-time or part-time tour guide. They can submit their own trip plannings, including the time, location, and the price. And our professional team will only approve the safe and legal trip plannings. Next. As you can see in this picture, user can directly book their flight ticket and hotel in the apps because we have a partnership with an online booking website for flight ticket and hotel, which is called Airpass. Next. To protect our user during the trip, first, we provide a travel insurance through Safe Trip, which is a collaboration project of Touch and Go and AIA Malaysia. We also have a GPS real-time tracking system to protect our user during their trips. And also the emergency SOS button that can be pressed to instantly send their location to the nearest police station. That's all for the introduction of Travel On. Thank you.
My name is Tan Hui Thi. My presentation part is Business Profitable of Organization and Mission. This app is an all-in-one app that provides some features such as booking air ticket, accommodation, and itineraries and tour guides. And any problem can be resolved through customer service that can help us to save the labor cost. Next. For the purpose is increase user for the app. We can offer discount on specific days and consumer can get promotion or reward based on the number of times they are used the app. Second is provide tour guides with class of lecture to improve their service quality and literally to manage emotion, inspect scenic spots, safety precaution. They can achieve long-term and stable development through loyal customer for company. Next. This point is we have on team. The team member come from a different industry. Each person work together in their own fields. Next. Vision is we hope that it will allow people to choose the project they want at a lower cost, visible to operation. In the process of development, we adhere to the principle of serving customer, try our best to meet the needs of customer and constantly promote the global development of the company. Thank you.
I'm Chujun, and I'm going to talk about the benefits for my customers and mission. Next. First of all, customers can register accounts and members to exchange discounts and coupons. We will provide customer service with one-to-one travel consulting services. Besides, we will also offer multiple choices of tourist attractions and personal info of tour guides. Next. All the reasonable prices we will list in the app. Customers do not need to book any hotel reservations themselves because we will cooperate with relevant platforms to allocate hotels for travelers. Next. We will also provide GPS real-time tracking. Customers will know their own location, their tour guide's location, and where their tour guides bring them to. Tour guides will have an introduction of a scenic spot, about the history and features to travelers. Lastly, we will prepare traveler insurance to have a safeguard for customers. So that's all of the benefits for customers. The next that I'm going to talk about is the missions of our organization. Our mission is to let more foreigners know about Malaysia and attract them to visit Malaysia. This is because Malaysia is a place that is well worth a visit, so we create this travel app for everyone. It will be super convenient for every traveler to use our app. Travelers just need to give us the trust, rely more on us, and we will give the greatest effort to satisfy our customers. We hope that customers enjoy a trip with their family and friends from a hectic schedule to let them release their pressure. Lastly, we would like to let every traveler to explore the beauty of Malaysia. Thank you.
My name is Brian. Today I'm to present about the goal and strategy of our organization. Our organization has a visionary goal is that when Travel On is stable in Malaysia, we will expand our business to the Southeast Asian market. Our management has developed 4 strategies to achieve this goal. Our first strategy is get to know other countries in Southeast Asia. When we are already introduced our service into other countries, we must understand the local situation, including the economic situation and the geographical environment. Next, our second strategy is have a simple payment method, which is because the currency exchange rate of each country is different. So it will make the user confused. So we will use the local exchange rates to do a transaction, let the transaction can go smoothly. And the third strategy is understand the taxation and law and regulations of other countries in Southeast Asia, because the law of each country is different. So we must find out what is illegal in their country, and then our application can remind our user to avoid them to being punished by the law enforcement at that country. The fourth strategy is invite local influencers and celebrities to endorse our apps, because people nowadays use the internet very frequently, and so we can find some celebrities on each country on the internet to promote travel on. This allow travel on gain popularity in various countries in Southeast Asia. Thank you.
And I'm Nelzilo, and I'm going to present about organization structure of Travel On. We are using organic structure in our travel service. The first reason is environment is complex and uncertain in nowadays, and it can be influenced easily by external environment. For example, COVID-19 caused all the tourism company closed down in a period of time. The second reason is there are a lot of emergency problems will happen, so we need lower level manager give some suggestion to solve the emergency problem. For example, transportation problem. The third reason is open to allowing manager to say something, because we are having the same goal to achieve. The fourth reason is our travel service is only for online service to call back and receive feedback from customer. For example, contact customer through online or make a call. Thank you.
My name is Kong Yixin. I'm going to show the organization chart of Travel On. The first one I want to introduce is our company CEO, whose responsibility is making important decisions and managing the company's operation. The first department is the tour manager is to manage the licensed tour guide after the interview and training. The second is marketing and finance. The partnership department manager responds to stay in contact with our partners and discuss the strategy for business development. The finance department is prepare a financial statement for the shareholder. Our customer sales have to introduce the sales package of our company and provide customer service. The third is planning and coordination. Our company have a professional team to review and develop travel plans. That is the Audi department. Also, our company have an emergency management department for handling consumer emergencies. Then the fourth is IT department. This department is responsible for daily maintenance and security of software. The last department is HR department. HR department have to interview and training the new employees and tour guides. Thank you.
I'm Chao Yongling. Now I want to present about the external environment. First point is economic environment. If the economic stability and increasing, our user number will increase. So the organization operate normally to increase the profit. The next is technology. Technological advancement in organizational operation will alter society demand for the organization service. Technology advancement has approached where people are getting used to technology gadget, so that it is a better way for us in promoting our apps to draw the attention from handphone users. Next. The operation of an organization can also be impacted by demographics. Organization must therefore be aware of the market size and potential, and timely adjustment of marketing strategy to react to change in the population environment. The above is presented by our group. Thank you.